Hello friends, welcome back to a new fascinating video. The Elizabeth II 5 pence coin, minted in 1997, is a significant piece of British numismatic history. This coin is part of a long tradition of British currency that has undergone various designs and changes over the centuries, reflecting not only the monarchy but also the evolution of the British economy and society. Here's a detailed script on its history and geography. The 1997 5 pence coin is part of the current series of British coins that were first introduced in 1971 when the UK adopted a decimal currency system. Prior to this, the UK used the old system based on pounds, shillings, and pence. Decimalization in 1971 replaced the old system, with £1 being equal to 100 new pence. The 5 pence coin, also known as the 5p coin, is one of the smaller denominations and remains in circulation today. The coin features an effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, who has been the reigning monarch of the United Kingdom since 1952. The Queen's image on British coins has evolved over time, with different portraits used during her long reign. The 1997 coin features the fourth official portrait of the Queen, designed by Ian Rank-Broadley, which was introduced in 1998, but some coins minted before that, including the 1997 coin, feature this portrait as a forerunner to the new design. The inscription on the coin reads, Elizabeth II DG Reg. FD, which stands for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. This inscription is common on coins of the United Kingdom, and it signifies both the monarch's title and her role as the head of the Church of England. The reverse of the 5p coin has been altered over time. The 1997 coin featured the iconic image of a rose, thistle, shamrock, and leek, representing the four nations of the United Kingdom: England, Scotland, Ireland, and Wales. This design was introduced in 2008, although it continued to appear on many coins minted prior to that. The 1997 5 pence coin is a small, cupronickel coin with the following specifications. Diameter, 18.0 millimeters. Weight, 3.25 grams. Thickness, 1.7 millimeters. Edge, plain, without any inscription or pattern. Obverse, portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. Reverse, a rose, thistle, shamrock, and leek design for the United Kingdom. In 1997, these coins were primarily used for day-to-day transactions and were widely circulated. However, their size and denomination meant that they were often not as frequently used as the 1p and 2p coins for smaller amounts. The 5 pence coin is part of the British currency, which is used in the United Kingdom and its various territories. It is also found in British overseas territories that still use the pound sterling as currency, such as the Falkland Islands and Gibraltar. Geographically speaking, this coin represents the British Isles and the union of its four nations. The design of the coin, with symbols representing each of these nations, is a geographical tribute to the unity of the UK, comprising the rose for England, the thistle for Scotland, the shamrock for Ireland, the leek for Wales. This coin circulation is strictly within countries using the pound sterling, and it's not legal tender in countries that have adopted the euro or other currencies. 1997 was a pivotal year in British politics and history. The year saw the Labour Party under Tony Blair win a significant general election, ending nearly 2 decades of Conservative rule. The 1997 5 pence coin reflects an era of substantial change and transformation, both in terms of political developments and the global economy. In the broader context of the UK economy in 1997, the country was experiencing a period of economic growth, which set the stage for further development in the late 1990s and early 2000s. The government was also preparing for the implementation of new policies that would shape the financial future of the country. In terms of British coinage, the late 1990s also marked a period of re-evaluation of the nation's symbols and a modernization of its currency. As mentioned, the 1997 5p coin was part of a series of coins that would eventually feature more contemporary designs, such as the adoption of the four national symbols seen in the 5p coin. The 1997 5 pence coin holds a particular place in the hearts of coin collectors, especially those interested in the coins of Queen Elizabeth II. The coin, while still in circulation, can sometimes be found as part of special collections or coin sets. Many collectors focus on the different portraits of a queen and the slight changes in the design of the coin over time. Additionally, the 1997 date itself may hold significance for collectors interested in the history of British currency during the late 20th century. Coins from this period, especially those produced during important years such as 1997, may be valued by collectors for their association with specific political, economic, or cultural events. In conclusion, the Elizabeth II 5-pence coin from 1997 is more than just a small piece of currency. It serves as a historical artifact that reflects the United Kingdom's traditions, its monarchy, and its role in the world during the final years of the 20th century. The coin's small size, simple yet significant design, and continued use in British currency make it an enduring symbol of the nation's financial history.